Today I'm going to show you a quick, easy, and super affordable way using something you probably already have at home. A cling wrap. So let's get started. First things first, grab your remote and make sure it's clean and dry. We don't want to trap any moisture inside, right? Now take your cling wrap and unroll a piece that's big enough to cover the entire remote. You want to leave some extra on the sides so you can wrap it snugly. Gently fold the wrap over the top and bottom, making sure all the buttons are covered. Don't pull too tight to still want to be able to press the buttons easily. And there you go! Your remote is now waterproof and ready to survive any accidental spills. This hack is perfect for movie nights, gaming sessions, or even if you just want to keep your remote safe from dust and crumbs. Plus, if the cling wrap gets dirty or torn, you can easily replace it without any hassle. Ever cracked an egg by accident and thought, "What do I do with this now?" Well, today I am going to show you a brilliant way to store that cracked egg so it stays fresh and ready to use later. Here's what you'll need. Take a piece of cling film about 6 to 8 inches long and lay it flat on your counter. Gently put the cracked egg onto the center of the cling film. Carefully gather the edges of the cling film and wrap it around the egg. Make sure it's sealed tightly so no air gets in. And just like that, your cracked egg is perfectly sealed and ready to store. This method keeps the egg fresh and prevents it from absorbing any odors in the fridge. So the next time you accidentally crack an egg, don't panic. Just grab some cling film and save it for later. Hey everyone, ever struggled with a stubborn jar lid that just won't budge? Well, today I'm going to show you a game-changing trick to open that stuck lid in seconds using cling wrap. Let's get started. Now, take your cling wrap and cut a piece that's big enough to cover the entire lid. You want it to be large enough to grip comfortably. Place the cling wrap over the lid, making sure it covers the edges completely. Now hold the jar firmly with one hand and use your other hand to twist the lid. Did you hear that? It worked. The lid came off like a charm. No more frustration, no more sore hands. Just a perfectly open jar.